nowadays, when we see the world of technologies, first thing comes to our mind is computers, right? So I gathered information and about them, and I want to share them with you.
HP Pavilion DV60 7000. This laptop is equipped with Intel Core i5 processor. It can handle heavy gaming without overheating, and it can run up to 9.5 hours with just a single charge. It is packed with a 8 GB RAM and could be upgraded to 16 GB. They also include a Beats Audio, has speakers for users to enjoy high quality audio without using any headphones. They also include a True Vision high definition webcam for social networking. I would say that this laptop could be used for hardcore gaming since it has one of the latest graphics drivers available on the market. The Apple MacBook Air is a faster processor than the previous MacBook Air. It can handle heavy graphics since it's running on an Intel Core i5 and i7, and it has 8 GB RAM. You can access data faster because its fast storage is 4 times faster than the previous MacBook Air. It has long battery life and it can run continuously from 5 to 7 hours with a single charge. It also has upgraded USB 3.0 and has Thunderbolt power connectors. It has a Wi-Fi connection. It has high resolution display. It has also equipped with multi-touch pad, and it can handle 5 or more fingers at the same time. And they also upgraded its keyboard. They have included a backlight light for low light typing.
And now, let me know about the new computers and its function and its new softwares. I hope you learned from this